Today, we'll be observing the process of blackhead extraction performed by a dermatologist. This procedure is part of routine skincare to maintain healthy skin and reduce issues like acne and blackheads. The doctor begins by cleansing the patient's face, ensuring the skin is free from oil and impurities before starting the procedure. Using a special tool, the doctor carefully extracts blackheads from the pores, making sure each one is removed gently to avoid irritation. This process helps to open clogged pores and prevent future acne. After the extraction, the doctor may apply additional treatments, such as a serum or mask to soothe the skin. Professional blackhead extraction is important to avoid inflammation. Trying to remove blackheads on your own without the right technique can damage the skin.